So we're going to show you how to patch a hole in drywall. Whether it's ceiling or a wall, it's all the same process. But what you see here is there's no meat on which to screw this patch. And so we're going to show you a trick to deal with that, in a quick fashion. What I've done here is cut a piece of wood that's a little bit bigger than the hole. Basically, I want it to go a couple inches on either side of the hole. And we're just going to take our piece of scrap wood, fit it up in there, lay it across the hole like so. Then we take our screws, and all I'm doing is making sure that I have a support to attach my patch to. So once you have your support in, now you have some meat to attach your patch to. So then I just put these two pieces, these two screws in. What I'm going to do here is just add a little bit of mud around the edge of this piece to take up some of that gap. And this is not crucial to the repair, but it's just one way or another, you want to get a little bit of something in there, whether it's now or whether it's after the fact. Right, so I take my patch, just fit it into the hole there, and then take my screw and screw it in. Because it's in the corner of this room, it's my office in the basement, I'm not too particular about it. If you wanted to do a perfect job on it, you just take this mesh. What the mesh does is cover the cracks and give some substance to the repair. Once our mesh tape is on, you just go ahead and put a quick layer of mud on this. All right, so once we get our quick layer of mud on there, we'll go ahead and let that dry and then come back and touch it up or texture. That's a super easy fix to basically any size hole, big or little. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.